In this video, we will learn about circuit diagram. So in the earlier sections of this chapter, we have already seen a simple circuit. Let us quickly make the circuit. In the circuit, we have a source of electricity, that is a cell or a battery. There is the positive terminal of the cell, there is the negative terminal of the cell. We have a switch like this, and we have a simple electrical component, and in this case, we are considering a bulb. This is a switch, and this is a bulb. Now, it is generally convenient to draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit, which is generally referred to as circuit diagram. So what is a circuit diagram? A circuit diagram of an electric circuit is a schematic diagram in which different components of the circuit are represented by their symbols. And for this purpose, specific symbols are assigned to each component. Now in the next slide, let us see some symbols of some electrical components which are used in circuit diagrams. Firstly, we will see the symbol of a simple cell. So a cell is represented symbolically by two parallel vertical lines, one thin and long, and the other is thick and short. The longer vertical line represents the positive terminal of the cell and is marked with positive sign, and the shorter vertical line represents the negative terminal of the cell and is marked with negative sign. So you can see there is a longer line which is the positive terminal and is marked with positive sign, and there is a shorter line which is the negative terminal and is marked with negative sign. So this was a cell. Now let us see a battery. So a battery is a combination of two or more cells. In order to design a battery, the negative terminal of the first cell is connected to the positive terminal of the second cell, and the negative terminal of the second cell is connected to the positive terminal of the third cell, and so on. So this is the figure, which is a battery of three cells. So in this figure, the negative terminal of the first cell is connected to the positive terminal of the second cell, and the negative terminal of the second cell is connected to the positive terminal of the third cell. So now, if we need to make a battery of four cells, we will make this diagram like this. So this is a battery of four cells. This is the positive terminal of the battery, and this is the negative terminal of the battery. Now we will see three symbols. The first symbol is of the connecting wire, the second symbol is of the resistance wire, and the third symbol is of the variable resistance. Let us see them one by one. So a connecting wire is a wire which offers no resistance to flow of electric current through it, and it is shown by a straight line. Now next, a conducting wire offering some resistance for flow of current through it is known as a resistance wire and is symbolically shown by a line having hills. So this is the diagram or a symbol of the resistance wire. And lastly, a variable resistance is shown like a resistance wire, but an arrow is marked crossing the resistance wire. So this is the symbol of variable resistance. Let us see symbols of some commonly used components in electric circuit. So the first two symbols we have already discussed. The first symbol is of the cell in which there are two parallel lines. The first line is longer, the second line is shorter. The longer line is the positive terminal and is marked with positive sign, and the shorter line is the negative terminal and is marked with negative sign. The second symbol is of the battery. The third symbol is of the battery of variable voltage. Moving on, this is the symbol of an open plug key. This is the symbol of a closed plug key. This is an open switch, and this is a closed switch. The next is the symbol of a connecting wire, which is a wire which offers no resistance, and it is represented by a straight line. This is the symbol of a wire joint. Continuing on the next slide, this is the symbol of wires crossing without joining. This is a symbol of a resistor, simply zigzag lines. This is the symbol of variable resistance. This is a rheostat. This is the symbol of the cell, and these are the symbols of ammeter, voltmeter, and galvanometer respectively. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.